Hello everybody! Today we are going to continue rejuvenating our face with natural products. In this video we are going to make a natural face toner. I'm going to share a recipe for every skin type and we are going to start off with normal to dry skin type. We are going to make a face toner out of very nutritious plant. It's aloe vera. So I took 2 leaves of aloe vera and put it in the fridge for 24 hours to make sure that all the biological properties are activated. Then cut it in small pieces. Then added half a cup of chamomile tea. Then put it in the blender and separated the liquid. Added 10 drops of lemon juice and 10 drops of almond oil. Put it in the fridge for 2 more hours before using it. Shake it well before using. You can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. This recipe is perfect for dry skin because as a side product you get a very nourishing face mask, which I'm going to demonstrate on myself right now. You look like you're in ballet studio. Black Swan. While making the liquid face toner, you also got thick aloe mass. Adding to it 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of any other cosmetic oil. I took vitamin E. Adding some gelatin that is already dissolved in hot water. Half a teaspoon of gelatin and 2 teaspoons of hot water. To make the face mask a little bit less liquid, I added some lianen flour and applying this face mask on clean skin of your face. Black Swan, right? More like a frog, but that's from another fairy tale. I think this color is pretty. Yeah, it's like swamp green. That's a very nice green color. It's a great toning and rejuvenating face mask at the same time. Are you going to speed it up? Yeah, for sure. Because I can see you're really into the process. Well, because I have a lot of it. Hold this face mask on your face for 30 minutes. And while we're waiting for the time to pass, I'm going to share with you 2 other recipes. For oily skin type, you're going to need just 2 ingredients. Those are a glass of mineral water and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can use apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice. Just mix them together and you can use it to cleanse your skin. This will help your skin regulate the production of skin oils and gently cleanse your skin. As a result, you get cleaner skin with a nice texture. The next recipe is for combined skin type. You need 100 milliliters of mineral water, 100 milliliters of fresh green tea, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And you can store this toner in your fridge for up to 3 weeks. This toner helps normalizing oil production in T-zone, normalizes exchange processes in the cells, and improves skin texture. You couldn't notice, but for me half an hour has already passed, so I'm going to wash my face with cool water. And after that applying our face toner. If you want, you can also apply a light moisturizer. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Tell us in comments which topics should we cover on our channel. And click the bell to follow all of our updates.